Semi's overturned up here. Hey, let's get up to this guy real quick.
Yeah, let's go see. I got the med kit in the car if you need it. Put it on your hazard right now.